Hello and welcome to the session on Content Management System. A few years back, the only way for you to develop a website was to write all the HTML and CSS codes by hand. These days are, however, over thanks to the modern and quickly developing content management systems. This chapter will try to explain what CMS is all about and give you examples of popular content management systems. What is a content management system? In order to define a content management system, we need to look at the components the term is made up of. What is content? Content is in essence any type or unit of digital information. It can be text, images, graphics, video, sound, documents, records, etc. or in other words, it can be anything that is likely to be stored and managed in an electronic format. What does the management of content refer to? Because the information being managed is digital in nature, the method of managing is also typically conducted electronically. The management refers to the process of storing content via rules and process or a combination of the same, often with associated workflows, so that the content is deemed to be managed rather than unmanaged where it is located. What is a system that manages the content? The system itself is definable as a software tool or combination of software tools that facilitate the efficient and effective management of the content so as to achieve the desired output. So, pulling all three definitions together, let us define what is a content management system. A content management system is a software application or set of related programs that are used to create and manage digital content. The content management system will allow you to build your website using a wide selection of different plugins and add-ons available for the various systems. Content management systems can be thought of as being a large box of bricks. You can then choose what specific bricks you want to build your website from. The CMS is well known for its ability to provide templates that allow a content author to manage the creation, modification and removal of website content without the need to know hypertext markup language. A content management system, abbreviated as CMS, and it is a set of automated process which reduce the number of people which had to be involved on handling the digital content life cycle. Besides that, a CMS represents as an application or tools that are developed to help organizations to create, edit, review and display electronic messages. Basically, a CMS is utilized to manage the content of the website. It is a piece of software that provides a template to allow users to manage their web contents internally without needing any programming knowledge. In other words, CMS allows the user to design and update a website without having to use programming code or language at all, since CMS lets the website itself to handle most of the work involved in creating it. Hence, utilizing CMS is a quick and organized way of developing a new website or to enrich the contents of an existing website. CMS is frequently used for storing, revising, controlling, and publishing contents in a website. Data in a CMS can be defined in many ways, for example in movies, documents, scientific data, pictures and many more. Also, it simplifies the tedious and difficult task of codifying out the features of the website and the information it displays. Instead of hard coding the requirements, it enables a user to manage their own website contents by interacting with the user-friendly interface provided by the CMS. Compared to the usual way of coding, using the CMS is like editing a Word document via Microsoft Word without having to rewrite a new document manually. CMS has the potential to substantially transform the methods of managing a website by practically allowing any users, be it technical or non-technical ones, to manage a website conveniently. All it needs for a CMS user to manage a website is to have a computer with an internet access to upload new contents from anywhere